Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on Hbar. So I hope you're all having a happy Easter today, wherever you are in this great, great world. We're going to talk about Hbar. I'm going to start with this. One of our customers has integrated our platform into the point of sales. Therefore, we had to choose a blockchain that can sustain over 10,000 transactions per second. That's the only way they're going to be able to do business. This is coming from Bamboo Meta. But in the future, that transactions per second is going to be a game changer. Think about it. Certain companies are going to take advantage of that. They're going to need that in the future. That's why I believe a lot of companies are going to choose Hedera as time goes on. New release, dual network functionality. This is going to be huge. This is a game changer. Blade's new dual network wallet offers an array of benefits for dApps and communities on both Hedera and Ethereum. On the Ethereum network, users gain access to large user base and popular network, allowing them to expand their reach and grow their user base. On Hedera, users can experience the low predictable cost and the speed of transactions on the Hedera network. Users can now, for example, take advantage of Hedera's low-cost, near real-time transactions capability for frequent value exchange transactions, while still accessing the Ethereum ecosystem for its vibrant ecosystem and plethora of dApps such as popular NFT marketplace, OpenSea. It's bringing both networks together so users could take advantage of what both of the networks have to offer. That's going to be huge as well. Looking to work on more Web3 projects but unsure on how to get started? Check out our latest collaboration with Hedera. This is coming from StackUp. Built differently from other blockchains, Hedera is incredibly fast, more secure, and EVM compatible. Learn from 9 exciting quests about the Hedera ecosystem and how to build on the powerful Hashgraph. Plus, play and stand to earn from a massive reward pool worth $27,800. Earn as you learn. Get an introduction to the Hedera ecosystem. Learn core concepts and developer infrastructure and how to build using the powerful Hashgraph. Deep dive into Hedera's network services. Create a car borrowing platform, dApp. There's going to be a lot of growth coming from this. What are you waiting for? Get stacking. And you see how easy they make it. Learn, kickstart your learning journey with our Learn courses. Then you earn, participate in campaigns and quests where you can put your skills to the test and enhance your dev knowledge. Connect. Our users get to meet like-minded people and network with diverse group of developers, each with different experiences and stories. Events. We host events like seminars, sharing, panel talks, and workshops that are exclusive to players on StackUp. Then, of course, you can level up as well. That's going to be very big because it's so simple to use. People are going to want to use it. Why are so many still sleeping on Hedera? Why does Hbar always seem to be overlooked within the crypto comparison images? I need some balanced opinions. Honestly, I think people are overlooking Hedera because they don't understand it yet. But anybody who's still out there looking to invest in the crypto, they should start with Hbar because you can see the growth happening. You see the projects. You see the governing council. It's one of the safest investments anyone can make. Archax. We recently added Hedera and Algorand to the list of protocols that our custody solution can support, with more coming soon. Our solution offers secure insolvency, remote storage with access to money market funds, and crypto staking. Now, staking here in the US seems like it's starting to disappear thanks to the SEC. But I think we're going to find new staking options in the future. I still believe crypto is going to evolve over time. All the things that people ever talked about, like be your own bank, earn passive income, borrow against your crypto, that's still getting built out. We're still very early yet. This is really interesting. Deflationary mechanism. I have not sold a single one of my sauce rewards tokens and continued to build my position. Since December of last year, single-sided staking on Saucer Swap has driven $188,992.74 plus in sauce buybacks. This deflationary mechanism will continue indefinitely and scale with usage, ensuring sauce buybacks as long as the Saucer Swap protocol remains active. I always said Saucer Swap was going to be massive for Hedera, for Hbar, and it's going to continue to grow over time as well. Food Depot on board with Universal Coupons 8112. Expect some transactions start to flow on Hedera. I like this use case, and the reason I do is because I know inflation is going to continue upward. At some point, we could possibly get into hyperinflation here in the US. And as inflation's rising, people look for ways to save money. Where do they find that? Especially with food, coupons. Everybody's going to be using them as time goes on. So think about all those transactions coming to Hedera. And then it's not an Hbar video if I don't talk about transactions per second. And there's been over 6 billion of them. And it grows every single day. I believe we're going to be doing even more transactions once that new financial system rolls out. Hbar and Hedera is going to gain a lot of value from that. You would be forgiven for thinking Decentraland and Sandbox are the leaders in metaverse, when in fact there's one company that has been developing the metaverse since before Bitcoin was created. Otherverse has built the largest and most successful metaverse platform in history. And its 19 years of operations, the company is now poised to launch a next generation Web3 metaverse platform that has been designed with decades of experience and patented technology. That's also going to be very big. You know, a lot has still time to grow. You know, people right away, they see an announcement and they're like, yeah, but the price didn't move. But that's because a lot of this is still growing and expanding. Later, you'll see it in the price of Hbar. Great partnership between MTech Inc. and Ademia Group, both utilizing Hedera to provide most technologically advanced infrastructure for CBDCs and offline payment solutions to simplify CBDC payments for all. I always said that MTech was going to be massive in the future. And when you talk about offline payments and CBDCs, that's huge. That shows you how Hedera fits in. You know, everybody's still out there talking in the crypto space like Hbar is not going to be tied to that new financial system. They're totally wrong. People need to wake up and see the big picture. Diamond Standard Company. As the developer of the world's first and only regulated approved diamond commodity, Diamond Standard helps investors to access a natural resource currently worth $1.2 trillion. And again, this is also very big, built on Hedera. The speed, scalability, and security of the Diamond Standard spot market was significantly enhanced by Diamond Standard's recent migration to Hedera. And we're going to start seeing more and more projects like this as well. But again, announcement after announcement and no price movement. That's what gets people worried. Wait until Hbar shows its true price, because the price we're looking at now, I still feel it's being suppressed somehow for some reason. There's no way Hbar could be sitting at this price and growing at this rate. That doesn't make sense. To the doom and gloomers, the Fed coin is missing 4 things: gold, silver, ISO 222, Basel 3.4, U.S. Treasury support, which means it's dead on arrival. Now, all the talk is around the Fed coin, and they're always talking about gold-backed digital currency. When they talk about gold-backed digital currency, they're talking about a country's currency. Things are pushing towards going back to the gold standard right now. Hedera and Hbar doesn't have to be tied to it to move the value from it. You know, everybody always says, well, I hope they're going to build it on this network or that network. What people don't understand is these cryptocurrencies are all going to play their own part in that new financial system. Hedera is going to move money. It has to be at a higher value to do that. If something is moving value from one place to another place, it has to have a value itself. I still believe HBAR is going to be a high price coin in the future. But as everything's still changing and getting built, all we could do is sit back and be patient and wait for it to happen. I still believe in the next run, HBAR is going to surpass $5. And a lot of people don't agree with that, but you can't have a ton of growth and no price movement. That's what it comes down to for me. I still believe it's a very sound investment. I believe HBAR is definitely going to be able to give you passive income in the future as well. But with that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.